I had a couple of friends ask me why I had went vegan. When did I go vegan? Well, I went vegan back in 2020, right around coronavirus time. And so the reason that I went or I decided to change and go vegan was because Netflix had a special on. I can't remember the exact name, but I think it was something like Supersize or something along that line, where it had all these different athletes, boxers, track stars, football players, MMA fighters, where they were talking about they had went vegan and they were talking about the significant changes it made in their life. And then throughout the special, they was talking about how it made the life, your life cycle longer. And I thought, man, this is great. And the girl that I was dating at that time was like, yeah, I think it's great. Let's do it. And so we started doing it. And I must admit, it was difficult. Not for the reasons you would think, because it plays a psychological effect on your mind. Because you want to eat the chicken and the fish and the meat. You want to eat those things. But one thing I realize is that 90% of the meal is always vegetables. You know, and so as I started doing that, I started, you know, doing corn and beans and beets and I started eating more fruits and vegetables, and I noticed that it helped me to maintain a consistency in my diet, and by maintaining that consistency in my diet, it helped me to lose weight. And not only did it help me lose weight, it actually helped me to maintain my weight better. So, the one, if there's one drawback that if I could go back in time and I could change it, I would start even sooner because it made such a significant impact in my life. The one thing that I can say that is, I'm helpful. I'm a healthy person. And so that I don't take any medication. I'm 62, and I'm pretty healthy, and I'm blessed in that respect. And so the one thing I would say, if you're going to try it, keep an open mind and and just work with it. Start small. And so, like, I am not a vegan. Well, I'm a vegan. I'm not a vegetarian. And so the difference is I still eat eggs and I still eat cheese. But beyond that, I don't consume any other animal products. And so if that's what you're trying to do, uh, do you think it's worth do I think it's worth doing? Yes, I think it's worth doing. If you can keep your mind right, then it's worth trying. I think you're going to enjoy the overall uh, change it's going to make in your life. Thanks for stopping by. Unk out. Peace.